Guys, we are in my kitchen slash dining area, and we're going to do a toy review today. I'm trying to do as many videos as I can in my one-off day. Okay, so if you see me in the same shirt, same background, you know, I may change up the backgrounds, but for now, okay. I got this at my Walmart. I just had to have it. Okay. It is so cute. Okay. My brother slash roommate is allergic to cats, and we can't have a cat. And I want a cat so bad. I really do want a cat, but we can't have one. But it's okay. As Sophia Petrella says in The Golden Girls, I digress. Yes. So I got the next best thing. Ta-da! It is so cute. It's from Kids Connection. It's called A Mini Walking Pet. Yes. So. And it is so cute. Look at it. Oh, cute kitty. A cute kitty. Who's a cute kitty? Who's a cute kitty? Yeah. Let's see. Isn't it cute? Look, it's walking to you. Come on, kitty. Oops. It is just so cute. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I think like $4, maybe $3 or $4. I just had to get it. It's just too cute. I just could not resist not getting it. I mean, how can you say no to a face like this? You just can't. It's so smiley and everything. Look at those blue eyes. And, oh, it's just so soft. Yes, so soft. And I'm not sure if there's an off button on here, but I do know it says it needs 2 AAA batteries. Let me see. I don't see an off switch. I guess you just unscrew it and take the batteries out if you don't want it to go. Come to me. Meow. Meow. Oh. It's just so cute. It's just the cutest. Just the cutest. I just had to get it. Had to. Yes. Just the cutest. Because there's 3 cats outside. Well, there were 4 cats outside. This lady downstairs, who's known as the cat lady, was taken care of. And there was one cat that I wanted so bad. He was black. Well, there's 5 cats outside, but one of them doesn't really come to me. But this one was black, and it had white paws, and it was so cute. And it looked for me all the time. It was missing a leg. That made it even cuter. Oh. And one night, some dogs came and attacked the cat, mutilated it. Yeah, it was so sad. So sad. Just thinking about it makes me sad. But, you know, the cat's in heaven now, so That's what I believe. Yeah. Anyways, since I can't have a cat, but I am saving up because I'm on a gerbil or a guinea pig. Yes, I am. By the end of this year, I'm going to save enough money to buy one. Yes, I am. Nick. But anyways, for now, I got the kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Yes. Alrighty, guys. Pick this up at your Walmart. It might have been $5. I'm not really sure. I'm not good about prices, but you can look it up and see if you decide you want to get this for somebody who likes cats. So, I think it was like $3 or $4 is what I paid. It's so cute. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching, liking, sharing, following, and all that good stuff. And, you know, you can find me on different social medias, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, you know, and I will see you in my next video. Yes, I will. And I want to thank you, Mountain Dew. I love your Major Melon. I love the voodoo. Oh, yes. But I'm waiting for the gingerbread to come out this year. Please. Hurry up with the gingerbread. Mountain Dew, I wish you would make a Thanksgiving one. But, you know, I guess. Yeah, you can make a Thanksgiving one. You can make it taste apple-y. Yeah. I mean, yeah, you could. If you made an apple cider Mountain Dew for like Thanksgiving, okay. Ooh, like an apple with apples and cranberry cider, Mountain Dew. Hey, that would be really good. And always, I like to thank Sam's for your best tasting water. Nah, it is the best tasting water. The only other water that can compare to it is Core water. But Sam's is, oh. Yes, I love Sam's water. Alrighty, guys. You can leave me a comment down below and help me name this kitty. I would love that. What should we name the kitty? What should we name the kitty? You can make it a boy, you can make it a girl. You can make whatever you want. Help me name the kitty. I will let you know what name I decide to pick after I read your comments. Okay? So anyway, thank you for liking, sharing, following, and all that good stuff. And I want to say to all 177 YouTube people out there who subscribe to my channel, thank you. I started this back in March and didn't think it would go very far, and I've got 177 viewers. Thank you. I know I haven't always been consistent in making videos, but I'm getting back into it. And I want to thank you guys. So, love you all. Mwah. Bye for now. Meow, 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 meow. Bye. I'll just sit you right here so you can get on my videos.